have a delivery for Shop Style Conquer.
Thanks. Bye.
No, you have to let me in now. Hello, I'm in Melbourne and I'm so pink. It's so hot.
It's 37 degrees today.
And my tram didn't stop at the tram right outside Tara's house. It kept going and then I had to walk and I was very upset about it. Today on the agenda, we're gonna go on an adventure to Ikea. But first, Tara is gonna open up our t-shirts that we've designed. If you don't follow us on Instagram, we're designing some new t-shirts for our blog shop. We're not gonna show you what they look like yet. That's gonna be the next vlog. But we're gonna get Tara's reaction to seeing them for the first time. In real life. I mean, she designed them, so she has seen them.
Oh, they look nice. They look so nicely made.
Yes.
Oh, they've got binding there. Oh, that's Flash.
So just quickly, for those who don't follow us on Instagram, these shirts are ethically made. They're ethically made with 100% organic cotton, and they're made in India by a group of women who are survivors of sex trafficking, and we thought that was really cool. Oh, and the ink is all like certified eco-friendly ink. I'm not sure what the term is, but it's good.
It's got one of those like check things, like got certified organic and then something checked natural dye. I can't remember.
So stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog or the next vlog, where whenever it goes up
we're gonna do a little photo shoot with them and reveal. I'm really excited about them. I hope everyone likes them as much as I like them. I'm biased because I designed them, but
they're really cool. But first, let's 1, open the door again, and then 2, drink some water, and then 3, go to Ikea.
Yeah.
Maybe I need some snacks.
The Ikea is really well air conditioned.
That's the only reason we're going. Basically, we spent a lot of time getting all the way to and from Ikea. And we spent a lot of time in Ikea as well, I suppose.
You always do.
I forgot to bring this camera, so I just filmed those clips on our GoPro. But I thought I'd do a cheeky little Ikea haul. I bought this potato masher. I think it was like $3 or $4 or something. I also picked up this mug. It was only $2. And I decided I wanted it even though I already have quite a few mugs, but this is pink and it's cute and I like it. I also got one of the Ikea candles. I got one of these like a few years ago when we first came here, and they're actually really good quality, like they burn really nicely. This jar I picked up for, I think it wasn't that cheap, it was like $8 or $9, and I just wanted something to store my pasta in because that was the one thing I didn't really have a container for. And yeah, spaghetti is tall, and I thought this was cute. What am I even saying? Tara and I also impulsively got these cushions. They were from the bargain area, or what do you call it?
The as-is section.
The as-is, so they were kind of like display items. So this is my one, and this one is Tara's. Tara's is way better quality. Like look at this.
It was like triple the price.
Like that is some good. That is some good stuff.
I think part of the reason we really wanted to get them was because we started looking at the cushions and then all these people copied us and were trying to take the cushions.
There was no one looking at the cushions, and then we looked over and we're pulling them out like, oh, this is cute. Then literally a lady came over and went like this to the cushion, and I'm holding it like this, and I'm like, it's my cushion. And then I was like, I can't let this go, someone else will take it. And then I'm like, I didn't need this cushion.
But I mean, I didn't have it.
Yeah, that's right. It looks nice in a blanket too.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
The last 2 things I got are the most exciting things. It is this cute little plant, and it like trails down in a pink pot. Of course it is pink. Yay! Pizza. It's dinner time and we're so tired we haven't filmed anything else. I finished editing my vlog, but the internet's too slow to upload it. mostly because we also want to watch a movie at the same time while we eat our pizza. And yeah, that's it.
We finished our pizza. We've been watching the Shannara Chronicles, but Ellen's paused it because she's told me she's got something for me, a present that I have to open.
This is a present from the fam, Mum, Dad, and I'm just going to take credit for it because I'm passing it. Close your eyes. It's an early Christmas present.
How big is it? Like,
no, it's like here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's wrapped up. Why did I have to close my eyes?
Because you can kind of see it through the red tissue paper.
I can't see it. Oh my god.
This is Santa. It's festive, but it's like Kiwiana.
I'm so confused.
Isn't it cool though?
He looks like he's in Gryffindor, but it's Marmite. Oh my
Do you love it though?
Where are we gonna put him? He's so cute.